A lot of times with the game, you're learning, you don't really realize that you're learning. In it, it hits all of the major components of disease transmission and disease prevention that we talked about in lab. So they're playing it and they're seeing terms that we went over in class. So like that is like, he was playing, at the same time he was thinking, like, how could I do this differently? How could I do that differently? Clearing, so lots of different antibiotics should be effective. But remember, it actually comes down to the Kirby-Bauer method that we're doing is actually very quantitative. You can take something that might seem pretty dry and not very interesting and say, you know what, this is kind of fun. I can see why people study this for a living. Just that moment when they go, oh, and they make that connection. I think that's the best part of teaching for me. And anytime you can engage somebody outside of the traditional classroom is, bonus points for me.